So you want to know how to download and install a program from the internet via PowerShell? Well, I'm Dr. Borg, and in this video, I will show you how. First, I want to go over the parts of the script that are important. Now, the first thing you want to have is a good, reliable URL for the download you want. You can plug that URL here in this URL spot, and then let me quickly show you how you can find a good URL for a download by using Specky as an example. So now if we come over to Google and we just type in Specky, just as an instance, and we can go to the website here, download free version, and download free download, and download. Now, once we get to this point, it'll actually start the download. However, if you copy this URL from my testing, it doesn't work. So what you want to do is come down to start the download, right click, copy link address, and then you want to test it. Open up a new tab, paste that link in, hit enter. If it automatically starts the download, that means it's a good link address. And then you can come over here, paste that in, and then up here in the user path, you want to change the install name to be whatever you want the downloaded file to be called. So for instance, we got specky install.exe, and you also want to make sure that the extension matches what the download's supposed to be, whether it's an exe or an MSI. Now, the next thing you want to do as far as this script goes, I have got both the MSI and exe install script included in this. I've got the MSI commented out because obviously the specky is an exe. But if you are doing an MSI, you can uncomment this and then comment this out. And the next thing, if you want the file to be deleted after it's downloaded and installed, you can leave this in. If not, comment it out or remove it. And let's go ahead and try this out. We're going to go ahead and copy and pull up our PowerShell. And we're going to pull up our File Explorer as well. Let's delete these other specky installs that I had in here and paste that in, hit enter. Now you can see with this blue banner across the top, we are installing or we are downloading the file from the internet to our location, which is the downloads folder. Now it's going to go ahead and install it. And once it gets installing it, it'll delete that file. Very good. Now let's check and make sure Specky's installed. Yep, Specky is installed. Now let's go back to our script here because I want to talk about a couple other things. So you can change this here. This is your profile. So regardless of what your profile's name is, it will default to your profile in your downloads folder, and you can change it to any other folder you want as well. And the other thing, if you're downloading a large file from the internet, it may take a while because it's reporting with that blue banner across the top of the PowerShell screen that you've seen. But if you include this in the script as well, it will turn that off and it will download it significantly faster. Now, this is the basics needed to download and install a program from the web via PowerShell. As always, I will include the script in the comments for you to use. Again, I'm Dr. Borg. Thank you for watching, and take it easy out there.